Friends, actually, I thought of go to Pawan Kalyan, sir. He's a deputy CM of Andhra Pradesh state in India. I thought of go to that movie yesterday. It was released, right? But Telugu movies, it costs 25 bucks to 35 bucks. 3 hours you have to sit in the theaters. Whereas Hollywood movie costs $5 to $10. But I used to watch his brother's movie, Chiranjeevi Garu, from my college days, when I used to bunk classes and watch every movie of Chiranjeevi. But I have never claimed I am the fan or something like that. So, but my habit is I read reviews and go to movies, whether it is good or bad, irrespective of it. And somehow I subscribe to Venky reviews because it is someone suggested and recently. Then I read the reviews, Venky reviews. If possible, I will put a screenshot. Harihara Veeramallu movie reviews he wrote, and those who write reviews, it impacts a lot. I'm telling you. I'm about to go, but after read the reviews, 2.2 he gave 2 star. See, I'm also fan of Pawan Kalyanji. Like I watched Jalsa how many times I don't know. Again, I'm not a fan, but I love him, and I love his movies. I love art and artists. So there is no, there is a disclaimer. But after I read the reviews, I felt like not to go. I dropped the idea and then I went to tennis. Because if I want to go to movie, I have to skip tennis, right? So I thought of go to this movie at 8:50 p.m. but drop off the idea after reading your reviews. This is what I wrote. Then someone, a follower, come here, I don't know, review, not reviews, something like that. Then start fighting and Indians can use English, whatever I wrote. Then the journalist from Mandy TV, she also wrote, but I was the Ramu Damoji, someone, sorry if I misspell his name. So I'm trying to get my previous post on it. Whatever I wrote, yeah, I genuinely love Telugu cinema and respect and art and artists, including stars like Pawan Kalyan. We have to call him sir because he's a deputy chief minister of Andhra Pradesh and probably is a man in waiting for prime minister post is what I wrote recently a post. Yeah, Yoga Adityanath, UP CM, Pawan Kalyan, Amit Shah, Nitin Gadkari, JP Nadda also might be there in the race. My according to my analysis, whatever. And Shashi Tharoor for vice president and Rahul Gandhi is also prime ministerial candidate. Out of contest, but I'm telling you. Rumors are there. KCR is also waiting for vice president or president post, merge the party. We don't know, right? In Telugu news channel I saw. So like that. Okay, coming to this topic, in US, watching Telugu movie is expensive and time consuming. Recently, I watched the Shankar Kamala movie, 3 hours, 15 minutes. It's really boring, man. Movie is great, but and Telugu movie $25 to $35, runtime 3 hours plus, compared to Hollywood movie $5 to $10. So yes, we check reviews first. It's a major time and money loss, right? And disclaimer: this is not hate, just honest feedback from Telugu viewer abroad who pays premium for Desi content. Art deserves both love and honest critic. That's the reason I'm placing this video, Kumar exclusive. And immediately I got a link after that. Great Andhra link also I read. Great Andhra gave some less points, I think. I'm not sure. And Polsakka I was. And Polsakka he wrote the reviews, 1 star he gave. He explained the Telugu comedy that Great Andhra, even they wrote Veerabhadudu, that means horrible is what they wrote. So that's one. And anyway, movie reviews, yes, they used to write, not used to, they have been writing, sitting in the theater live, like the story, what's happening, like that, and that impacts a lot. See, if, I don't know the cost of this movie, the movie Veera Harivillu, whatever. So that is he saved it. It's not that money. Somebody wrote from Bangalore, you cannot afford. Question is not afford or not afford in USA, man. It is mostly time and see, it will get bored, right? If you um, movie ticket cost. If you don't like it and then it's boring, and then it's really not worth, right, sitting in that long, and it's boring. And Pawan Kalyan fans also said it's really boring, something like that. So it's 600 rupees in India, and it's now it shows $8 to $23 depending on the city location. Otherwise it is $16. So something like that. And I will tell you the price of it. Yes, again it depends on the area location, so it's expensive, right? And I'm just pricing. Yeah, it's $20. I don't know, yesterday might be more. It's $20 today, so I don't know how much you convert it, take it into multiply by 87 rupees or 86 rupees. So it's not easy. That's what I want to tell you. This video is not to offend the fans of Pawan Kalyan or any particular community or caste. I thought of go yesterday, but I dropped the idea of going because I read the reviews of Venky reviews and Great Andhra and Telugu 1 2 3 or some website also wrote, and Pol Chokka I saw today. And here is the Harihara movie. I think the movie took 6 years to make a film because of COVID break and other breaks and political reasons. Pawan Kalyan sir took break. Is a lackluster period action drama. They took it Aurangzeb time and a fictional story, weighted down by an outdated and incoherent screenplay, further hampered by subpar technical quality. Venky reviews. Venky reviews has so many followers and is a 106.5k followers are there. Movie distribution, exhibitor, and premiere. The first half is somewhat tolerable and includes a few well-executed sequences, such as the introductory block and Kusti fight. And I saw one video clip. That's also very. The hero carry heroine and put on a horse, but when she throw a napkin or a small towel, the hero fell down. Whatever. So while the screenplay still feels dated, Keravani's music is good, it seems, but Pulchakka, one YouTuber, told. Whereas Keravani only told in an interview, if a movie is bad, even the music is great, but still people feel music is bad. So while screenplay still feels dated, Keravani's background score manages to elevate certain moments in this half. However, the second half, and on top of it, this is a part 2 movie, it seems, completely falls apart and never recovers. And I saw Katamraydu in Virginia when I was working in Maryland 2008. The hall is empty, only 2 3 people are there. I drove from Maryland to Virginia and I paid tolls to watch the movie. Apart from cost of the movie, you have to pay tolls while going to Virginia. So I drove that far. Unless I love Pawan Kalyan, I don't drive that much, right? And tolls I paid. Tolls, right? It's expensive. And however, the second half completely falls apart and never recovers. It feels both outdated and directionless, as if the director lost track of the plot entirely and added random scenes. If story is weak, the movie is gone. Like Kubera, story is super, right? You have to connect. It's a real story, then you will be connected. So from a technical standpoint, the VFX is poor. Many scenes, especially in the second half, appears unfinished and clumsy. Dubbing is another major issue, with several characters, including Pawan Kalyan, suffering from a noticeable lip sync and voice clarity problems. Keravani music remains the film's only saving grace. Overall, Pawan Kalyan's presence and a few sequences in the first half and Keravani's music are the only aspects that work. The rest is a major disappointment. Rating 2 out of 5. HHVM is a movie shortcut name. Yeah, I forgot the name of the journalist from NDTV. I follow her. Uma Sudhir. She posted, yeah, you got collected 50 crores something. But when I watched Damu Balaji, he said only 30 crores came out of 250 crores. Otherwise, if they don't make the gross minimum amount, they lose the movie. Right? The producer is at loss. But again, another recommended I came. I didn't watch the Damu Balaji one, saying that it's a blockbuster and movies hit something like that. He put a video in, what do you call? He put one more video, one more. So I didn't watch it. So I'm not sure that video. I mean, he plays different videos, so that is where the conflict is. One time he said, just a minute, good video, and another time he said bad video, something like that. So that gives the benefit of doubt. So morning he kept a video. Hi friends, I'm recording. Yeah, more Polisuka I was. He said one, and Great Andhra also gave less, and Venky reviews 2. And fans videos I watched, they all disappointed many, except Pawan Kalyan fan and somebody, my relatives or followers in India also text me, they watch it but it's not good. Yeah, where this movie, senior journalist Bharadwaj said, they it was question mark he put, how many they earned, how much money they earned, but another one, Damu Baraji said, journalist, film journalist and other topics. Yeah, he said records are break in collecting the amount, but yesterday he said 30 crores, but Uma Sudhir wrote 50 crores, and she tagged the Pawan Kalyan and 50 crores and congratulating good movie, something like that. Across the world, I think approximately 3,000 theaters it has opened. The movie is playing, and in Karnataka, unofficially they blocked in some areas because Pawan Kalyan, Honorable Deputy CM, supported Hindi. That's the reason they unofficially blocked the movie, not officially, in some of the areas. This is all I want to tell, so I don't want to offend any of the Pawan Kalyan fans, because I told I watched Chiranjeevi's movies non-stop during my college days, and I bunked college and I watched some of the movies. Pawan Kalyan's movies also I watched. Pawan Kalyan sir movies also I watched 100 times. Like Jalsa and some movies, right? Like Pokri, Atadu also I watched 100 times. This one also I might have in the home, I think 100 times, in the sense multiple times. So it's like that. Some of the out of 25, maybe 15 are good movies. The rest of it are flop. I don't know the numbers exactly, but I watched several times. Like the songs still I listen. So he has an impact on the people. Whatever he speaks, it reaches the people, public mass. So, but this movie definitely direction is lost. Direction is at great fault. That's what I would like to say based on the reviews. I didn't watch. I dropped the idea of watching because after read the reviews, I cannot dare to sit there, right? Because I play tennis, I feel happy. But if I skip tennis and go to a movie and the movie is bad, then I mentally get disturbed. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. My name is Kumar. Channel name is Kumar Exclusive. This is not a movie review. I'm just sharing my ideas with my followers. That's it. Thank you. See you again in the next video with the next topic. Until then, goodbye.